Buenos dias, remarkable lifers. This is KJ. So I am at the Central de Autobuses, or commonly known as the new bus station. So this is where you can catch the luxury coaches and travel all over Mexico. Come check it out. So we bought our tickets online. We're on the E.T.N Bus, which is the bus line that we're using, and we bought our tickets online. And you just come into the bus station, you go straight to security, show them your boarding pass, and walk through to this waiting area. And then they do calls over the internet, just like over the loudspeaker. I need more coffee. Over the loudspeaker to announce the departures of the buses, and then you go out and get on your bus.
That's our bus.
So if you need to go to the bathroom, it is 7 pesos as of today. Things are always subject to change, but 7 pesos, you put the coins in and go through the turnstile and into the bathroom. Pretty simple.
Nice and clean, too.
Yeah, very clean, very nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they do have a snack bar or a little shop right outside, so that works out nicely. There's noise. You're at a bus station. Nueve. What do you think?
I think it's really nice. I mean, there's small overhead things, so you can get your backpacks and stuff up in there. There's a ton of leg room.
And they have these neat little leg things. You can turn this into a bed.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And you can totally turn that into a bed of some sort.
You have a TV screen.
When we checked in, they gave us earbuds. And everyone has their own TV screen, so you can listen to your own TV shows.
And look at these chairs.
These things are comfy.
They're so comfy.
I'm like, I want these in my house.
I know, right? So we've got a TV screen. It folds out. I guess you can watch things on it. You've got a hook for your stuff. Got a little pocket. I've pulled my Ziploc out with all my gum and my necessities and my little charger. I think they have a charger here. There's a port for your earbuds.
And we brought up.
And there's reclining seats. Padded seat cushions. Look at this back. That's the kind of seat. It's really nice.
Yeah, we brought we have like a bunch of snacks and stuff that way in case we get hungry, because it's a 5.5 hour trip. So but we had snacks and brought water, and this is
I'm gonna go to sleep.
This is better than the back of grandma's station wagon on a long vacation when you were a kid.
Exactly.
This is better. This so far, this seems better than an airplane.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah. So far.
And it was very easy to get on.
Oh yeah, it was very amazing.
You listen for the call, and even if you don't understand English, you can understand the city.
Yeah, and people will have this question. Yes, you can bring suitcases. They ride under the bus, so whenever you're going to get on the bus, they just they have someone there checking your suitcases on and storing them under the bus and putting the destination and everything on there. And yeah,
pretty easy.
Get on the bus. It's really simple.
I think we're leaving in like 10 minutes still.
Yeah.
It's not an overloaded size either. You can see the seats. It's like first class all the way.
Yeah.
So, a view of the back of the bus here. Yeah. Very nice. We're on one exactly like this. That's sitting next to us.
Oh no, that's a double-decker.
Oh, ours is a single.
Ours is a single. That's a double-decker bus.
Oh well, I'm sorry.
But no, I think it's cool. I wanted to tell people that some of the buses are double-decker.
Yeah, it's like London.
But not red. So we've arrived in San Miguel de Allende. Taking the bus was like the easiest thing in the world. It was so much easier than like doing a plane and airports and all that stuff. It was very, very simple, as you've seen on the video. So San Miguel de Allende is at a roughly 6,100 feet elevation, which is about 1,100 feet higher than where we live in Ajijic. And as you can see here, there are taxis just waiting outside. So we're going to go grab a taxi and get to the hotel.
So the bus, super easy. I struggle because this video is actually going to be a little bit more like, hey, there's not much to it. You buy your tickets, you get to the right place, you listen for the name of the city, you get on the bus, and you arrive. It's not that difficult, and it is luxury style. It was like first class on a plane, without the champagne, of course. You have to bring your own stacks. But
Right.
So we are going to just leave it there and say it's pretty easy. We'll put some details in the description below, and we're going to go explore San Miguel de Allende. Stay tuned for more videos about what we're doing here. As some of you know, there's a little meetup that we're doing. So we're going to get to share some interviews and some experiences with some other YouTubers, I hope. So
This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. I'm really, really excited. But
we got a couple days to figure out the town before we have to go into that. But.
yeah, but the bus was crazy amazing. I mean, there's bathrooms on board that were clean. In fact, this is something that I noticed that might interest our viewers. But like the bus made 2 stops, one in Leon and one in Guanajuato. And at both stops, someone got on. You know, the people who got off the bus. When you get off there, someone got on and cleaned the bus.
Yeah, they came in and cleaned the seats that people were in.
Picked up trash, had a mop, straightened everything up for the seats that nobody was occupying, and then new people got on. So I mean, very clean. Very efficient. It was really, really good.
Yeah, it was nice. I will say too that the bus stations are really nice. I'd say small airports. I mean, there really are.
Yeah.
Without all the security and stuff, you still have to show all of your IDs or all of your ticket and stuff. But
yeah, I never once had to show an ID.
No, you didn't have to show ID.
I had my ticket on my phone and just pop. I feel like this is like completely opened up traveling in Mexico for us. I'm like, this is so easy and it was so comfortable. And
I would put anybody on this. I would put my parents, my brother, my niece and nephew. I would put anybody on this little tour of.
Or on one of these buses,
on one of these buses,
anywhere,
to see this country. It is absolutely beautiful. The views out our windows were spectacular. Just had no idea we're in kind of a high desert area.
Seeing the Mexican countryside and the mountains and just, it was amazing.
The road, black, stretching out in front of us.
Stop it.
What movie is that from? If you know, comment down below. Thank you all for all of your support. Stay tuned. We'll be back next time. And if you haven't already,
go take the luxury buses and find your truly remarkable life.
Hey, the buses will help. Take care.